In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to hyperlink in Notion, step by step. This is one of those simple but powerful features that can instantly make your notes, dashboards, and documents more organized and professional. Whether you're linking to websites, internal Notion pages, resources, or references, mastering hyperlinks will save you time and keep everything connected. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tips and easy software guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Notion and navigate to the page where you want to add a hyperlink. This can be a brand new page, an existing note, or even a complex dashboard. Once you're on the page, decide exactly which text you want to turn into a link. This could be a single word, a phrase, or even a full sentence. Using clear and descriptive text is always a good idea because it tells you and anyone else reading the page exactly where the link will take them. Next, click and drag your cursor to select the text. Make sure the text is fully highlighted before moving on. This step is important because Notion will apply the hyperlink only to the selected text. If nothing is selected, the link option won't work the way you expect it to. Once your text is selected, you have a couple of options, but the easiest one is to click the Add Link option. You can do this by right-clicking on the selected text and choosing Link, or by using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+K on Windows or Command+K on Mac. As soon as you do this, a small link box will appear. Now it's time to paste your link. In the link field, paste the URL you want to connect to that text. This can be a website link, a Google Doc, a YouTube video, or even a Notion page. If you're linking to a Notion page, you can also start typing the page name and select it directly from the list, which is super convenient. After pasting or selecting the link, take a quick second to double-check that it's correct. This helps you avoid broken links or sending people to the wrong place. When everything looks good, simply click outside the link box or press Enter. Your text is now officially hyperlinked. To make sure everything worked correctly, hover over the linked text and click on it. The link should open instantly in a new tab or take you to the connected Notion page. If it doesn't, just click the text again, choose Edit Link, and make any corrections needed. One extra tip that can really level up your Notion pages is using hyperlinks for clean layouts. Instead of pasting long, messy URLs, always link them to clear text like Resource Link, Watch Tutorial, or Project Docs. This keeps your pages looking clean and easy to read. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to hyperlink in Notion. It's a simple process, but it makes a huge difference in how effective and organized your workspace feels. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Notion tutorials and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.